Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be talking you through the eCloth Deep Clean Mop Set. This intensive cleaning kit is ideal for the harder floors around your home in need of a deeper clean than the ordinary mop can achieve. So we're going to talk through the specifications and the benefits of using it in your home. We have lots of product demonstration videos on our channel, so stick around to the end of this video where we'll link a few for you. First, let's talk about the benefits of this deep cleaning mop kit. It's designed to remove stubborn grease, dirt and over 99% of bacteria from all sorts of hard floors. So whether you've got tiles, laminate, vinyl, wood or stone floors, this will be ideal for your home. The mop head works by using this specially designed weave with long fibres which helps break up and hold grease and dirt. It's made up of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide and is 45 cm by 13.5 cm in size. This mop uses just water to clean, so it's ideal for people who suffer with allergies because you don't need to use strong chemicals. It's also ideal for people with mobility issues due to its manoeuvrable gliding action and telescopic handle. It's also very lightweight and made from a rust-free aluminium and a plastic that's still durable. The mop head attaches with Velcro, so it's easy to remove for a quick rinse or a wash when finished. As well as floors, this mop set can be used on ceilings and walls as well, as the telescopic handle is fully adjustable, so you can extend the mop from 1 metre to 1.5 metres in length. To adjust the handle, simply hold the base, twist the handle and adjust it to your desired length, then twist it to secure. A top tip with this mop is to make sure that you mop in an S shape, as this will prevent any dirt from being left behind. Also, if you're mopping the stairs, you can just use the mop without the handle. Caring for and maintaining your deep cleaning mop is also really easy too. Just make sure that you remove the mop head after every use, give it a rinse, then wring it out and hang it to dry. Once a week, or a little bit more if your floors are particularly dirty, you can put this in the washing machine on a 90-degree hot cycle with a little bit of detergent, but make sure that you don't use any fabric softener or dryer sheets because this will damage the material. If you do use either of these by accident, then you can rewash your mop head at the highest temperature setting with a little bit of detergent. Then hang it out to dry or put it in the tumble dryer. You can also sanitize and degrease your mop head with boiling water as often as you feel necessary. This particular mop head comes with a 3-year or 300 wash guarantee as long as it's cared for as recommended. So you can be confident that your mop kit is built to last. If your mop head, however, is damaged or is showing general signs of wear and tear over time, then you can get a replacement mop head like this one, and we'll link where to find this on our website down below. We hope this video will help you understand a little bit more about the eCloth Deep Clean Mop Set and how it can improve your cleaning routine. We have plenty more videos on other product demonstrations that will help make your life easier, so take a look at those. And subscribe to our channel for more cleaning, maintenance and repair videos. Thanks for watching!